Project management is a universal challenge for organizations of all sizes. But with so many project management software options out there, choosing the perfect fit for your team can be a real head-scratcher. Well, I can do something to help you with that. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I will compare 3 of the top project management tools on the market: Asana, ClickUp, and Monday. I'll talk about their features, pros and cons, and pricing. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's start. Overview. And I will start by giving you an overview of each tool and how it works. Asana. Alright, so you have probably heard of this tool called Asana. But you might be wondering, what exactly is it and how does it work? Well, let me break it down for you in simple terms. Asana is a project management and productivity platform that helps teams and individuals stay organized and on top of their work. It's kind of like a command center for all your tasks, projects, and collaboration. Imagine having one central place where you can see everything that needs to get done, who is responsible for what, and when it's all due. That's the magic of Asana. The way it works is pretty straightforward. You can create projects, which are like the big overarching initiatives your team is working on. Within those projects, you add tasks. These are the individual action items that need to be completed. You can assign tasks to specific team members, set due dates, add comments and file attachments, and even break bigger tasks down into smaller subtasks. It's a super visual and intuitive way to keep track of your work. The bottom line is, Asana is a game changer when it comes to keeping your work and your team organized. It takes all the chaos out of managing projects and makes it easy to stay on top of your to-do's. Plus, it helps foster better communication and collaboration, which is so crucial these days. Moving on to ClickUp. ClickUp is all-in-one productivity tool, designed to help individuals and teams organize, track, and manage their work in one place. It's used by businesses of all sizes, from solo business owners to large companies. Why? Well, because it combines tasks, docs, goals, and project management into one platform. Now let me break down how ClickUp works and why it's so popular. At its core, ClickUp is a task management tool, but in fact, it goes beyond just creating to-do lists. You can create tasks, set due dates, and assign them to specific people or even entire teams. The cool part is that tasks are super customizable. You can add subtasks, checklists, attachments, and even comments directly within the task. So if you got a complex project with lots of moving parts, ClickUp lets you keep everything in one neat, organized space. And finally, Monday. The way I like to think about Monday is that it's kind of like a command center for your entire business. It's this centralized workspace where you can manage everything from your big picture projects down to the nitty-gritty daily tasks. You can visualize your workflows, assign responsibilities, track deadlines, and even automate certain processes, all in one place. When you first log into mondaycom, you are greeted by a colorful and user-friendly dashboard. Here you can create different boards for various projects. Each board is like a workspace where you can track tasks, deadlines, and who is responsible for what. It's super visual, which makes it easy to see what needs to be done at a glance. The way it works is pretty intuitive. You start by adding tasks to your board, which are basically the things that need to get done. Each task can have details like due dates, status updates, and even comments from team members. You can also attach files and links, so everything you need is right there. One of the coolest features of mondaycom is how customizable it is. You can set up your boards to match your workflow, whether that's using different columns to represent different stages of the project or color-coding tasks based on priority. This flexibility means you can adapt mondaycom to fit the way your team works best. Collaboration is a big part of Monday too. You can tag team members in comments to ask questions or provide updates, keeping everyone in the loop. Plus, there are handy notifications that let you know when tasks are due, or when someone has commented on something you are working on. Overall, mondaycom makes managing projects feel a lot simpler and more organized. It's designed to help teams communicate better and stay on track, whether you're working with a small group or a larger teams. Main features. Now let's see what kind of features all these tools have to offer. First, Asana. Alright, so we talk about what Asana is and how it can help you get your work and team organized. But what are the actual features that make it so powerful? Let me run through the key ones, so you can see what Asana brings to the table. First up is the task management side of things. Asana makes it super easy to create and organize all the individual tasks that need to get done. Whether it's for a big project or just your daily to-do list, you can attach documents, set due dates, and assign tasks to specific team members. It's like having a centralized hub for keeping track of everything. Another really handy feature is the calendar view. This lets you see all your tasks and deadlines laid out on a visual calendar, so you can get a high-level sense of what's coming up. It's great for getting a bird's-eye view of your team's workload and spotting any potential bottlenecks or conflicts. You can even sync your Asana calendar with your regular Google or Outlook calendar, so it's all in one place. One of my favorite Asana features is the boards view. It works a lot like a Kanban board, where you can visually map out the different stages of your project or workflow. You can have columns for to-do, in progress, awaiting feedback, and so on, and just drag and drop tasks between them as they move forward. It gives you a super clear, visual way to see the status of everything at a glance. Now, collaboration is where Asana really shines. You can mention teammates in comments to loop them in, attach files for them to review, and even set up dependencies between tasks. That way, everyone knows what they are responsible for and when things are blocked or ready for the next step. It helps cut down on all those scattered email threads and confusion. And speaking of communication, Asana has some nifty features to help keep everyone in the loop. You can set up custom notifications to get alerts when tasks are due, comments are made, or projects hit certain milestones. There is also a handy mobile app, so you can stay on top of things even when you are on the go. The last thing I will mention is Asana's reporting and analytics capabilities. You can generate all kinds of helpful visualizations and dashboards to track progress, identify bottlenecks, and get a better handle of your team's productivity. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of project management. ClickUp. Alright, so let's dive into main features of ClickUp that make it such a powerful tool for managing work and boosting productivity. First up, task management. This is the core of ClickUp. You can create tasks, assign them to yourself or your team, set deadlines, add priority levels, and track progress. Tasks are super flexible. You can break them down into subtasks, add checklists for smaller steps, and even attach files or links directly to the task, so everything you need is in one place. Plus, you can add comments and tag team members if you need their input. It's like having a conversation right within the task. Next is views, which is how you see your tasks and projects. ClickUp gives you several options here. List view shows your tasks in a simple list format. Board view is like a Kanban board, perfect for visualizing the flow of tasks across different stages. Calendar view lets you see your tasks and deadlines on the calendar, which is great for planning. Gantt view is perfect for tracking timelines and dependencies, making it easier to manage complex projects. You can switch between these views anytime, depending on what makes the most sense on the project you are working on. Another cool feature is time tracking. If you are working on billable hours or just want to keep track on how much time you are spending on tasks, you can start a timer directly in ClickUp. This way, you can see exactly how long things take. It's great for improving productivity or reporting back to clients. ClickUp also has a built-in Docs feature. You can create documents, just like you would in Google Docs, but right inside ClickUp. And this is awesome for writing meeting notes, brainstorming ideas, or planning out bigger projects. You can even link docs directly to tasks, so everything stays connected. One of my favorite features is goals. You can set big picture goals, like completing a project or hitting a sales target, and then break those down into smaller, actionable tasks. As you complete tasks, you can track your progress toward your overall goal. It's super motivating to see that progress bar fill up. Now let's talk about automation. ClickUp allows you to set up custom automations to save time on repetitive tasks. For example, you can create an automation that moves a task to a completed list once it's done, or automatically assigns a task to a team member when a certain condition is met. This takes the manual work out of a lot of routine processes. Integrations are another key feature. ClickUp plays well with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, Zoom, and more. So if you are using multiple apps to get work done, you can integrate them into ClickUp to streamline your workflow and keep everything connected in one place. Last but not least, there is collaboration. You can tag teammates in comments, assign them tasks, and have real-time conversations right in ClickUp. Plus, you can create shared dashboards to visualize key metrics, deadlines, and project statuses, which keeps everyone on the same page. In short, ClickUp's main features are designed to help you stay organized, collaborate effectively, and get more done. Whether you are managing a small personal project or working with a large team, ClickUp gives you the tool you need to keep everything running smoothly. Monday. Now let's dive into some of Monday's main features that really set it apart. One of the standout things about this tool is its visual interface. When you create a board, you get this colorful layout that makes it easy to see your tasks and their status at a glance. It feels almost like a big, interactive planner, which helps keep things organized and accessible. Another great feature is the ability to customize your boards. You can tweak columns to reflect your project's specific needs. Whether you want to track progress, assign tasks, or even note deadlines, this means you can set it up in the way that works best for you and your team, making it feel personalized and intuitive. Collaboration is super smooth on mondaycom too. You can comment directly on tasks, tag teammates, and attach files all in one place. This helps reduce the back-and-forth emails and keeps all the relevant info right at your fingertips. When everyone can see updates and communicate in real time, it really boosts teamwork. Automation is another fantastic aspect of this tool. You can set up rules to automate repetitive tasks, like sending reminders or moving items between boards when certain conditions are met. This saves a lot of time and helps keep everything running smoothly, so you can focus on the important stuff. Lastly, monday.com offers a range of templates to help you get started quickly. Whether you are managing a marketing campaign, planning an event, or tracking sales, there is likely a template that suits your needs. You can then customize it to make it your own. Overall, the combination of visual organization, customization, collaboration tools, automation, and templates makes Monday a powerful tool to managing any projects or team effectively. It takes a lot of the hassle out of project management, allowing you to focus on getting things done. Pros and cons. And now that you know what these tools offers, let's see what strengths and weaknesses they've got. Asana. I will start with the things that I really love about the app. First, Asana is packed with helpful features, especially if you are working in a team and want to stay organized without spending a dime. Unlike a lot of other project management tools, Asana's free plan actually gives you a lot. You can create unlimited projects and tasks, message team members, track activities, and even connect it with time tracking tools for free. If you are working on simple projects with a small team, you might never need to upgrade, which is pretty awesome. One of the best things about Asana is the different ways you can view your work. You can organize your tasks as a list, see them on a calendar, use a Kanban board, or even look at a timeline. This lets everyone work in the way that suits them best, and it makes it easy for project managers to get a big picture view of everything that's going on. Asana also has a cool automation feature that lets you set up workflows for repetitive tasks. It helps save time, cuts out some of the busy work, and keeps projects moving smoothly. Asana is also great for teams that use Agile or Scrum methods, which is awesome if you are into sprint planning, bug tracking, or any kind of project that evolves over time. It's flexible enough to fit different styles, and Asana even has guides to help you get set up. Overall, Asana's simple design, powerful features, and flexibility make it a great choice for all sorts of teams and projects. It's really made to keep everyone organized and connected, no matter how you like to work. But like any other app, Asana could use some improvements. For example, Asana's mobile app is available on iOS and Android, but it doesn't offer the best experience on a small screen. It's fine for quick updates, but if you are trying to do detailed work, the desktop version is just way more practical. One of Asana's quirks is that you can only assign each task to a single person. This is meant to make it clear who is responsible, but it can be frustrating if you want to give multiple team members a responsibility for the same task. But I have to say, folks, there are workarounds, like adding collaborators or duplicating tasks, but it's not quite the same as having multiple main assignments. Another thing that some users find annoying is the flood of email notifications. By default, Asana sends a lot of alerts, which can quickly clutter your inbox. Luckily, you can customize your notification settings to reduce the email overload, but it's something you will need to adjust right off the bat. Lastly, while Asana has beefed up its security for enterprise users, the lower tier plans don't come with the same level of protection. Basic plan users, in particular, should be aware that Asana collects usage data, including mobile data. ClickUp. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring, and in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. So let's talk about what makes ClickUp a great tool and why so many people love using it. First up, ClickUp is super flexible. No matter what kind of work you're managing, it adapts to your needs. You can organize things however you like, from simple to-do lists to more complex project management systems. And you get to choose how you want to see your tasks with its different views like lists, boards, or calendars. This flexibility is a huge plus, especially if you're someone who likes to customize how you work. Another big benefit is how much ClickUp helps with team collaboration. It keeps everyone on the same page by allowing you to assign tasks, share files, and communicate with the platform itself. You don't have to jump between different apps or send endless emails back and forth. Everything happens in one place, which can save a ton of time and reduce confusion. ClickUp also offers a ton of features, and surprisingly, many of these are available even on the free plan. You can get a full suite of tools that usually come with the price tag on other platforms. One more pro is its ability to integrate with other tools you might already be using, like Slack, Zoom, or Google Drive. This makes ClickUp even more useful, because it brings all your tools together in one place, so you're not constantly switching between apps. Now folks, let's dive into some of the downsides of using ClickUp. Because no tool is perfect, right? First up, while ClickUp offers a lot of features, this can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to project management tools. There is just so much packed into it that it can take some time to figure out how everything works. Another issue that users often mention is the occasional lag or slowdown when using ClickUp, especially when handling larger projects with lots of tasks or users. The interface can get a bit sluggish when there is a lot going on, which might slow down your workflow at times. Anyway guys, customization is great in ClickUp, but it also has its drawbacks. With so many options to tailor things to your liking, it can sometimes feel like you're spending more time setting things up than actually getting work done. Monday. Okay, with that out of the way, let's now talk about what really makes Monday shine and what can be improved. Monday.com has some fantastic advantages that make it stand out as a project management tool. One of the biggest perks is its free forever plan, which is available for up to 2 users. This is great for small teams or individuals who want to try it out without any financial commitment. The user interface is modern, intuitive, and easy to navigate, making it simple for anyone to jump right in. You don't need to be a tech expert to figure it out, which is a huge plus. This user-friendly design helps you get started quickly and keeps you focused on your projects rather than struggling with the tool itself. Another major benefit of monday.com is its full customizability. You can tailor your boards exactly how you want them, fitting them to your specific needs. Plus, with over 200 preset templates available, you can save time by choosing one that matches your project right from the start. These templates cover a wide range of use cases, so you can find one that works for whatever you are managing. Monday also makes automating tasks incredibly easy with its intuitive if-then rules. Folks, this means you can set up automatic actions, like sending notifications or moving tasks when certain conditions are met, without any coding knowledge. This feature helps streamline your workflow and saves you from doing repetitive tasks manually. Lastly, the platform includes advanced dependency features, which can significantly improve the accuracy of your delivery dates. You can set tasks to depend on others, ensuring that everything is on track and that you meet your deadlines. This kind of organization helps prevent bottlenecks and keeps your projects moving smoothly. But while monday.com has many great features, there are some drawbacks to consider too. One of the main issues is that the free plan isn't really designed for serious business use. While it's great for individuals or very small teams, it lacks the advanced features that larger teams might need to manage more complex projects effectively. Another downside is that time tracking, which is the crucial feature for many businesses, is only available on the paid Pro plan. This means that if you are looking to track time spent on tasks, you will need to invest in a higher subscription. And that might not be ideal for everyone, especially those just starting out or operating on a tight budget. Additionally, the mobile app can be a bit less user-friendly compared to the desktop version. While it's functional, some users find it harder to navigate and manage tasks on a smaller screen. This could be a challenge if you are someone who likes to work on the go, or if you need to make updates while away from your computer. Pricing. And last but not least point of comparison, prices. Asana. Folks, when it comes to pricing, it seems like Asana has a suitable option for every user. There are 3 subscription plans for individuals and small teams, and 2 for larger businesses. Considering all that Asana has to offer, I would say that all pricing plans are pretty affordable. And guys, in my opinion, the free personal plan is what really makes Asana stand out. It's amazingly generous for team collaboration, allowing up to 10 people to work together. It doesn't hold back on the basics. You get unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and file storage. Plus, you can organize work in list, board, or calendar views, which makes managing projects a bit smoother. You even have features like recurring tasks and bulk actions to help with repetitive work. Asana also stands out with its range of integration on the free plan. With over 100 options, it's impressive that so many are available without needing to upgrade. While you won't have access to every integration, the free plan includes a pretty good selection to connect Asana with other tools you might already be using. There's an option to get a monthly subscription or get billed annually. As usual, the annual subscription comes with a nice discount. And apart from all that, Asana offers a 50% discount for non-profits, which is a really nice touch. ClickUp. When it comes to ClickUp's pricing, the great thing is that they offer options for everyone, whether you are an individual, a small team, or a larger organization. They start off with the free plan, which is perfect if you are just getting started or working on smaller projects. The free version is actually pretty generous, giving you access to a lot of the core features, which is awesome if you want to test the waters before committing to anything paid. As you start needing to more advanced tools, ClickUp offers several paid plans that unlock more features and give you more flexibility. Unlimited, business, and enterprise. These plans are designed to scale with your needs, so if you are part of a bigger team or working on complex projects, there are options that provide additional tools like automations, more integrations, and advanced reporting. The cool thing about ClickUp's pricing model is that it's not a one-size-fits-all. You can choose the plan that fits your needs and upgrade as your team or projects grow. Monday. Folks, when it comes to pricing, this tool can seem a bit confusing at first, but actually the options they have let you customize your subscription plan so that it fits your needs perfectly. The subscription options here are categorized based on your needs: CRM, work management, and dev. Each of these categories includes 5 subscription plans: free, basic, standard, pro, and the custom plan for big companies. You can also choose your team size, from 3 to 200 plus seats, and that will of course impact the price of your subscription. There is also an option to pay monthly or annually. The latter comes with a sweet 18% discount. And what I really love, they also offer a 14-day free trial, so you can try it out before you decide to pay for anything. Asana versus ClickUp versus Monday. Which is best? So now that you know all that, which tool should you choose for your everyday task management? Here is the thing, guys. In the end, each of these 3 tools, Asana, Monday, and ClickUp, has something special to offer, and which one is best really comes down to what you and your team need. If you are after something straightforward but scalable, Asana is a solid pick. Me and my team are using Asana, and I'm really happy with this tool. It keeps task management simple and grows with your team, so I think it's great for businesses that want a clean, organized workspace without too much fuss. Monday shines if you love visuals and need a lot of customization. It's especially popular with creative or marketing teams, because it allows you to set up workflows visually and flexibly, which can make projects easy to manage and a lot more engaging. On the other hand, ClickUp is perfect if you need a power pack tool with deep customization and advanced features. It's ideal for agile teams or anyone who wants more control over their tasks and workflows. You can tweak almost everything, making it versatile for various projects. Alright, my friends, and it's all about my Asana versus ClickUp versus Monday comparison. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.